Alright guys, we are in the shop and Brent is MIA. He's at Jessica Auto Parts. And right here we have Jay's car. You guys saw the previous videos of us unloading it from the trailer. Brent and our friend John from Maryland actually went out down in Kentucky to pick this up from him. So we're replacing the water pump, the condenser, some AC lines, new radiator, SVE from late model. All this stuff's from late model restoration. So we got a Ford Racing water pump, gaskets, transmission mount, gear oil, new 355 gears, condenser, aluminum drive shaft, clutch cable, Stita, quadrant, SVE, all new radiator hoses and stuff. So all new stuff. Jay actually bought new water pump bolts and all that, so I'm very thankful of that, because the old ones were pretty rusty. So anyway, that's what's going down on this today. We're getting it up on the lift. Got to pull the rear end and all that stuff to get the rear end rebuilt, then put the drive shaft in and change all the fluids out and everything. He's already got half the fluids right here. The DSG is on the lift. We took the wiring harness out. I had a wiring harness from an 01, and apparently it's different from an 04. A couple pins are different and all that, so I thought I had one, so I got to hunt down. Maybe it's 03, 04, but I'm thinking it's probably just 04. And this car does not have ABS, which is pretty weird. So I don't know. I kind of thought they really all had them. So that's the problem, is I got a harness with ABS, and I guess it would technically work, and then you just leave it hanging. But I don't want to check engine light or nothing like that. So I'm going to find the correct harness, and then this thing is done. I got the fenders in the paint booth. We already blocked and primed. I know you guys saw the previous video. It might be on this video. I have no idea where it's at, so I'm so far behind. But you guys saw us welding up the antenna hole, and unfortunately we did not video us actually putting Bondo on it and blocking it and stuff. But here it is right here, antenna dellet. And I did undercoat the sides or underside already. I mean, you can see that lip is just mint. And this is where we welded up, put undercoating on so it wouldn't rust. So that's all taken care of. So this has already been primed twice and blocked. One last coat of primer, then we're ready for DSG. So that's kind of exciting, just to get that done, get that wiring harness in, and that car is ready for a paint correction and ceramic coat, which we will show on video. Let's go outside real quick. I got a surprise for you guys. Alright guys, this is a surprise. Most of you guys probably don't even know if you're new to the channel, but we got our lot black topped. So this is Kyle's 96 Mystic with 45 original 1,000 miles. Got some Mystic brakes in there. He's got 03, 04 Cobra mirrors that were cut to fit, modified to fit. So they look nice. Interior's pretty nice. Someone had already put a sound system in, he said. I think he just got the car. We're going to switch this all out. Someone drilled for, I don't know, I guess, I'm not even sure, honestly. We're going to switch that out for a stock one that doesn't have holes in it. But the steering wheel's in mint shape. The seats are very nice. They just need to be coated and leathered. But yeah, this thing is nice. I don't know why they wanted all this stainless steel. It is what it is. So this thing's nice. It's got a couple little dings, but we're going to fully paint correct this and ceramic coat it. You can actually see all the scratches in it. Actually, I don't know why, but on camera everything looks mint. So anyway, we're doing a full paint correction on this, ceramic coating, and we're going to do this tonight. So it'll be coming in the next video, so stay tuned for that. Got this all down. It's ready for me to mud, so we're just kind of waiting on me to do that. Alan welded that all up very nicely. We got to undercoat this side and all that stuff. Already got all the paint and everything for that, so it's ready to go. And what the hell it is. Here's Bruce's car right here. We got the engine pulled, all that, so this thing is ready. We're going to make another dolly. That way we have two. This thing's ready to go out and degrease. Look at all this sludge. This stuff has to be totally degreased before we can even start grinding and wet sand, or grinding and welding up the holes for the engine bay shave. So that's where that's at. Everything's just going. I mean, we're just, you know, taking one step at a time. It's all we can do. But right now we're going to get this convertible done and on the lift. That way it's out of here by the weekend. And yeah, so I got to get off here and prime. We'll meet back up probably when the sun goes down, because we're going to be here another 10 hours. So Alan's installing the brand new water pump right now. Oh, I mean, Alan's in the other videos, but
Alright.
that's Alan. When Brent's at Jessica Auto Parts, I have to rely on Alan. So.
More times than not.